Hi everyone, I'm Purna. This video is the continuous video for the part 3 of energy sources. This video mainly contains solid fuels and the different theories of formation of solid fuels, types of solid fuels, and the selection of good solid fuel. Coming to the solid fuels, the main solid fuels are wood, peat, lignite, coal, charcoal, and briquetted fuels. In addition to these solid fuels, certain agricultural and industrial waste such as bagasse, spent, tan, rice husk, coconut, and nut shells are also employed as fuels. The coal is the main solid fuel. Coal is an important kind of solid fuel that is produced from the fossilized debris of animals and plants. Hence, it is known as fossil fuel. Fossil fuel or coal. Why we are calling as fossil fuel? It is produced from the fossilized debris of animals and plants. Coal mainly made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur atoms, and also non-combustible inorganic matters. Coal occurs in the layers of Earth's crust, mainly formed by the partial decay of plant materials which are accumulated millions of years ago and altered further by the action of heat and pressure. Coming to the formation of coal. The formation of coal can be explained by the two theories. Mainly two theories explains the formation of coal. What are those theories? First one is in situ theory, second one is drift theory. First one is in situ theory. According to in situ theory, the coal is formed at the place where vegetation grew and gets accumulated. This process normally leads to the formation of coal, which is the highest purity, which is of highest purity. Second theory is the drift theory. According to the drift theory, the coal is not formed at the place like in situ theory where the vegetation matter, that is where the organic matter, vegetables, trees, etc. grow and get accumulated. These materials were drifted or transported by rivers to lakes and get deposited there and undergo gradual decomposition. That is drift theory, also known as transportation theory. Here, the organic matter, vegetables or trees, whatever the plant materials, are transported by the rivers to lakes. Then they are accumulated at the banks of the lakes or different areas of the lakes. Then these are undergo gradual decomposition. Then the coal is formed by this process is also known as also known to be associated with great thickness. Highest purity is the in situ theory. Greater thickness is the drift theory. So some various factors are responsible for the conversion of plant tissues to coal. Okay. Uh, First one is bacteria in the water. Second one is time, that is millions of years. Next, temperature, that is greater than 300 degrees centigrade, and pressure. These are the main factors responsible for the conversion of plant tissues to the coal. The time required for the formation of young brown coals is known as coalification process is of the order of 10 to the power of 7 years, while for the most mature coals is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 years, depending upon the time, that is millions of years required for the formation of pure and thick coal. Qualification is also known to occur in two stages. First one is during the first stage, the vegetable matter fallen on ground undergoes microbial degradation in presence of air. That is, whenever the vegetable matter detached from the life, the bacteria will attack on the vegetative matter and gets decomposed. In the second stage, the agencies responsible for the chemical changes are highest temperature, that is more than 300 degrees centigrade, and pressure, and long time of the order, that is 10 to the power of 7 to 10 to the power of 8 years. As the effect of these agencies of the varying degrees, the result is for coal of different maturity or rank. Rank is a qualitative measure of carbon content in coal and is defined as the degree of extent of maturation. The soft coals such as peat, lignite and subbituminous coals have low percentage of carbon contents, and these are also known as low rank coals. In contrast, hard coals like bituminous and anthracite have high percentage of carbon content and are thus classed as high rank coals. Coming to the types of coals. There are five kinds of coals based on their carbon content and calorific value. The types are: first one is wood, second peat, three lignite, four bituminous, fifth anthracite. These are the types of coals or five kinds of coals based on their carbon content and calorific value. The progressive transformation of wood to anthracite can be written as wood, peat, lignite, bituminous, anthracite, depending upon the carbon content, hardness, and calorific value. That is increasing order. Coming to the features of solid fuels, first wood. Would have 50% of carbon and the calorific value is 4000 to 4500 kilocalorie per kg. The main application, it is used as a domestic fuel. Second one, peat. Peat have 57% carbon content and the calorific value is 4125 to 5400 kilocalorie per kg, and used if it is used if the deficiency of high rank coals. And the next fuel is lignite. Lignite, third one. Lignite have 67% carbon content and the calorific value is 6500 to 7100 kilocalorie per kg, and the main applications are it is used for steam generation in thermal power plants and the production of producer gas. Fourth is bituminous coal. It has 83% carbon content and the calorific value is 8000 to 8500 kilocalorie per kg. The main applications are it is used for making coal gas and metallurgical cake and also for steam generation in thermal plants and for domestic heating also. Bituminous coal can be used. And the fifth one is anthracite. It has calorific value 8650 to 8700 kilocalorie per kg and has 93% carbon content, and the main applications are it is used in households and steam raising, also used in metallurgical processes where no smoke and high local heat is desired. These are the types and certain features of solid fuels are types of coals. Coming to the selection of coal, this is very important. The calorific value of coal should be high so that large quantities of heat can be obtained from a smaller quantity of coal. Second is The size of coal should be small, so lesser will be the cost of storage and handling. Third one is the coal should be associated with low moisture content, which also reduces the cost. Fourth one is ash content. Ash content should be low for coal since the presence of ash reduces the heating value of coal. Fifth one is coal should have high calorific intensity. High calorific intensity is the maximum temperature attained by coal where it burns completely in a theoretical amount of air. The coal should be uniform size in order to facilitate both handling and regulation of combustion processes. And the last point of selection of coal is coals used for metallurgical purposes should have low sulfur and phosphorus contents because in order to protect the equipments from corrosion, and also the gases produced from such coals pollute the atmosphere. These are the different points we have to keep in mind while selecting the coal. All this is about solid fuels, coal, types of coal, and formation of coal and selection of coal. Thank you very much.